In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Aviator Predictor bot in Telegram. We're keeping this super simple and beginner-friendly. By the end, you'll know how to quickly locate the Aviator Predictor on the web and open its official Telegram page, so you can decide what to do next with full awareness and confidence. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Any modern browser works fine. Click into the search bar at the top of the window so you're ready to type. This is the quickest route if you don't have a direct link handy, and it avoids hunting around inside apps. Next, type the phrase Aviator Predictor for Telegram. Keep it short and straightforward. This exact wording helps surface the most relevant results. If your search engine suggests autocomplete options, choose the one that clearly mentions Telegram, then press enter. Give the page a moment to load, and you'll see a list of results related to bots, channels, and guides. Now, scan the results and look for the entry labeled Aviator Predictor v4, 0 official, Telegram. You're aiming for the result that points to an official Telegram page or a TEPME link. That matters because it's the clearest way to reach the bot or channel without going through third-party sites. When you find it, click the result. Your browser should either open a preview of the Telegram page or prompt you to open it in the Telegram app. If you're on desktop and also have Telegram installed, choose to open it directly in the app for the smoothest experience. From there, you'll land on the bot or channel page where you can review the description, recent posts, and any usage notes. Take a moment to read carefully before interacting. Be cautious with any requests for payments, personal details, or account credentials. Legitimate services will not ask for sensitive information. If something looks off, trust your instincts and back out. A quick word of guidance. Tools that claim to predict outcomes for games may be unreliable and could violate the game's or platform's terms. Make sure you understand the risks, comply with all applicable laws and app policies, and never share private information. If the link you click doesn't look official, go back to the search results and verify the URL before proceeding. And that's it, really easy and simple. You opened your browser, searched for Aviator Predictor for Telegram, click the official listing, and arrived at the Telegram page where you can review details safely. If this walkthrough helped, take a moment to double-check what you're joining, stay safe online, and proceed only if you're fully comfortable with what you see.